Hi, welcome to the demo of Accounts Manager Dashboard. It is a powerful tool designed by Perceptive Analytics to speed up lead conversion and unlock high-value opportunities. This dashboard was created for a client in the financial AI services industry. It is primarily designed for heads of customer success and sales executives who want sharper visibility into their lead pipeline and team performance. Right at the top, we get an overview of key performance indicators. This section provides a quick snapshot of the sales pipeline. A total of $14.2 million in leads were submitted this year. Out of these, $13.7 million were accepted as warm leads, with an impressive 97% acceptance rate. Of the warm leads, $5.9 million have already been closed. That's a 43% win rate. About 31% have been lost, and 26%, which is $3.6 million, are still in pipeline. It represents immediate opportunity. Next, we see that out of all submitted leads, around 75% came from cross-sell opportunities and 25% from upsell, signaling that cross-sell strategies are driving greater volume this year. On the right, we can analyze the trend in lead submissions by month. We see a clear rise in lead submissions from January through July. July recorded the highest activity with $1.59 million in pipeline, and $582K worth deals are already converted. We can click here and dive deeper to see which managers submitted these leads and how they are progressing through the pipeline. Let's click here to analyze pipeline leads in July. We can see that Amelia is leading with $672K in pipeline, followed by Emily and Emma. By clicking her name here, we can explore the status of these leads in more detail. We can see that a big chunk of Amelia's pipeline leads are expected to close in August. We can click here and select this month to see how far these leads have progressed in the funnel. $78K worth leads are already in the finalization stage. That's a great signal for immediate conversion. Clicking into the finalization stage, we get a list of warm opportunities that require timely intervention, whether it's outreach, negotiation, or offer finalization. We can also use this dashboard to evaluate the performance of individual account managers. For example, who is constantly pushing leads to closure and who might need support or coaching. Here, Emily stands out as a top performer with $1.3 million in wins and minimal losses. It shows consistent conversions, whereas Amelia is handling the highest lead value and has over $2.1 million in losses. It signals a need for support in closing deals. The goal of this dashboard is to spot warm leads with the highest conversion potential, identify pipeline slowdowns, and unblock stalled deals faster, track and compare team performance, drill into deal details for strategic follow-ups. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.